From the smallest atom to the largest star, there are so many amazing things in space that we can't even begin to comprehend them all. But here are 5 crazy facts about space that you may not know. So get ready for takeoff, because we're going on an interstellar adventure. Number 1. A day is 42 minutes long on Venus. That's longer than any other planet in our solar system except for Earth. A day on Venus is actually longer than a year on Mercury. In fact, Venus rotates so slowly that its atmosphere has had time to cool, despite being the closest planet to the Sun. This means that, although it is the hottest planet in our solar system, it also has the slowest rotation. The atmosphere of Venus is incredibly thick, which creates a strong greenhouse effect and traps heat on the planet's surface. As a result, Venus is inhospitable to life as we know it. If humans were ever to set foot on Venus, we would be met with temperatures hot enough to melt lead and atmospheric pressure more than 90 times that of Earth. So if you ever plan on visiting Venus, make sure to pack your sunscreen and a spacesuit. Number 2. A star is born every 3 minutes, somewhere in the universe. New stars are born in giant clouds of gas and dust that collapse under their own gravity. When the core of a star becomes hot enough, nuclear fusion begins, creating a tremendous amount of energy. This process also produces light and heat, which is why stars shine. Stars come in a wide range of sizes, from small red dwarfs to massive blue giants. The most massive stars can be over 300,000 kilometers in diameter, which is large enough to fit 1 million Earths in a row. And according to NASA, the average star is twice as massive as our Sun. When a star runs out of fuel, it collapses and forms a nebula, which is a cloud of gas and dust that can become a new star. In fact, all of the elements on the periodic table, including gold and uranium, were created in the cores of stars. So stars play a vital role in the formation of planets and life as we know it. Number 3. On Jupiter, it rains more than 3 times the volume of water on Earth. Every year, Jupiter receives more than twice the amount of rainfall that falls on our planet. It's no wonder that Jupiter is known as the king of the gods, because it sure knows how to throw a party. There are more than 1,000 known storms on Jupiter, some of which have been raging for centuries. The largest storm ever recorded on Jupiter is a massive high-pressure storm that is wide enough to swallow Earth's whole. The winds in this storm can reach speeds of up to 618 kilometers per hour, making it one of the most violent storms in the solar system. Jupiter's atmosphere is divided into several layers, each with its own unique characteristics. The top layer is the troposphere, where most of Jupiter's weather occurs. Below that is the stratosphere, where temperatures increase with altitude. And finally, there is the thermosphere, where the atmosphere is so thin that it is almost a vacuum. Jupiter's atmosphere is incredibly complex, and scientists are still learning about it. However, what we do know is that it is one of the most fascinating and dynamic atmospheres in the solar system. Number 4. In 2014, scientists discovered an Earth-sized planet that orbits 2 suns just 40 light-years away from us. This discovery was made by the European Space Agency's orbiting telescope and was the first of its kind. The planet, known as WASP-33b, orbits 2 small stars that are part of a binary system. This means that the planet experiences 2 periods of daylight and darkness every year, with each period lasting for 11 days. The temperature on this planet can reach 224 degrees Celsius during the day, but plummets to minus 271 degrees Celsius at night. That's a swing of more than 500 degrees. This extreme temperature variation is due to the close proximity of the 2 suns to the planet. WASP-33b is located in the habitable zone of its star system, meaning that it could potentially support life. However, further study is needed to determine whether or not the planet has an atmosphere or liquid water. This discovery raised a lot of questions about the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. If there are planets like WASP-33b, then there could be many more planets that could support life. Scientists are now searching for other Earth-like planets that orbit 2 suns in the hope of finding signs of life. The discovery of WASP-33b was a major breakthrough for astronomers, and it has paved the way for future discoveries. Who knows what other amazing planets we will find orbiting to suns in the years to come. And finally, number 5. The Milky Way is home to at least 100 billion Earth-like planets. Our galaxy is filled with wonders, from the smallest asteroid to the largest supermassive black hole. One of the most mind-blowing facts about the Milky Way is that it contains at least 100 billion Earth-like planets. These exoplanets are roughly the same size and mass as Earth, and they orbit stars similar to our Sun. Using powerful telescopes, astronomers have been able to detect these planets by observing the slight wobble in their parent star's motion. Some of these exoplanets are located in the habitable zone of their star system, meaning that they could potentially support life. The Milky Way is vast, and we have only explored a tiny fraction of it. With new technology and exploration missions, we are constantly discovering new and exciting things about our galaxy. From the mysterious dark matter that makes up most of its mass, to the countless stars and planets that populate it. The Milky Way is a place of endless wonder and discovery. Thanks for joining us on this interstellar adventure. We hope you learned something new and exciting about space. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the ones discovering the next amazing fact about space. Until then, keep looking up and keep exploring. And remember, the universe is full of wonders, and we're just getting started. If you're still thirsty for knowledge, be sure to check out our other videos where we explore even more amazing topics. You might just learn something that will blow your mind.